Hello, I'm Stephen from Wheelhome. This is my little dog Isla, and we've come all the way to the south of France to make a little video of our new Dashaway eCT. First thing to do is to undo the two catches at the front of the elevating roof. These are lockable, so it helps protect the spare wheel from theft when it's down. The roof is raised simply by rotating the handle at the back and just the mildest of assistance with your other hand. Unzip the door, briefly fold and roll it out of the way. It pops on the corner there. Coming inside, we fit two poles at the back corners of the roof, so these help make the whole structure really quite steady and robust. Folding up the solid side panels gives a firm wall, a carpeted wall when you're inside. Front shelf lowers down and secured with catches on each side. Again, this makes the interior feel really quite warm and cosy. On each side we've got very large windows with fly screen mesh in place. These are just very useful worktop surfaces that fold down when required. 3 mains outlets comes from the pop-up tower unit at the end there. That supplied mains voltage from the onboard inverter. That gives a total of 2,600 watts. This is charged via the onboard 200 watt solar panel and by campsite hookup when available. You can of course wind the rear steadies down by hand, or just use a power driver, which makes it even quicker and easier. Fit the mains hookup lead into the offside rear socket and then the other end into the campsite supply. This shows the optional electric oven and the induction hob. This is the optional belly locker, which is secured by two lockable stainless steel catches. What's particularly useful is these are accessible when you're at the roadside with the elevating roof lowered. As you can see, I've used the front drawer for food and the rear drawer for clothing, but really you can use these pretty much as what suits you. Got the zipped door at the back, and although it's not exactly high security, it is lockable with a simple padlock on the two zip pulls. The Dashaway eCT can be made up either as a single bed like this, with the other seat left in place, or as you'll see in a minute, it makes up as a large double as well. For the double bed, we need to lift up the offside shelf and put the microwave on the front shelf. It's important to note that when we're travelling on the road, the sleeping bag and pillows all stay up in this laid out position, so you don't have to transfer them from your car. It's particularly useful with a double bed in particular to have the awning at the back and put the Porta Potti outside there. The little fan heater is very efficient. It's only 500 watts, but that's all we need for inside a relatively small space. Place to hang your coat, one each side if you wish. Different upholstery options are available. Tyre pressure monitoring system is what most modern cars have, and it's extremely useful on a trailer as it gives a constant readout of the tyre pressures and the temperatures. We also have a solar powered rear view camera. This links to a display inside the car that you place on the dashboard. It's a colour display. Doesn't film very well on the video here, but it's actually quite a good quality reproduction.